be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Changes every heart, and any heart can change you.
Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life. Today we're just doing a day in the life of a homeschool mom, and today is our first day back to school following Christmas break. We actually had 3 weeks off, which is the longest Christmas break we have had in recent memory. So we are getting ready for breakfast. How's everybody feeling about starting back to school? Aren't you ready for a change, challenge the brain and all that?
No.
I'm not excited for school.
You're not excited for school? You're always excited about school.
No, I'm
What?
not excited. No.
You're not excited anymore? Will
I'm
you
down.
I'm
thumbs
never
down?
excited.
Are you going to be excited later?
No.
I have to
Not
agree
for
this with
today.
Sophie. Thumbs down.
All right, well,
Not for you.
I'm Colleen and this is Our Grumpy Life.
Okay.
All right, so the good thing is we actually are doing a slow start back to our school week. So today is really going to be a little bit more like a half day, because Sophie's school really only always takes half a day, and then Katie has already finished her math project, which I had scheduled for another 2 weeks. So she has no math to do, so she's basically not doing all of her subjects. So we'll see how today goes. We have several errands to run, a lot of stuff going on, so we'll just take you along. All right, so I want to update you on the intuitive eating. I have stopped that because it just really was not working well for me. Honestly, it just doesn't provide enough structure, and I just felt like things were just getting worse rather than better. So I'm back on Weight Watchers, and when I quit before, I was on Freestyle, which is now the blue plan. And I'm gonna do the green plan, which is what I used when I lost most of my weight, which it used to be called Points Plus, I believe. So I've been doing that really, I think only this week. I kind of started it, was hit or miss with it, but I've started back kind of strong with it this week. So I'll see how that goes. That was a plan that was easy for me and I enjoyed before. You have to count more foods, but you also get more points, and I think with tracking more it helps me, so hopefully that will work. So I'm just making breakfast and then we're going to start our school day. So Katie's reading Philippians chapter 1 to us while I get breakfast ready.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud.
So on this particular morning, Sophie was having a little bit of difficulty eating, and so I was helping to feed her. She has trouble chewing her food sometimes, and even though she's still chewing by herself, sometimes I can get her to eat a little bit more if I feed her like that.
Love a little louder.
Okay, now that I've got the kitchen straight and we've had breakfast and everything, now what I'm going to do is come over to Homeschool Planet and check what I need to do today and really this week for school. So I actually looked at this yesterday and moved some things around this week. So I usually filter it just where I can look at one child at a time. So this is Katie's week. She actually had nothing scheduled for today because I keep her Mondays free because we have co-op on Mondays, but we only have co-op every other week. So what I do on the weeks we don't have co-op is I just move some things over to her Monday. So she's starting a really big honors project for French over the next probably month. So what I did was I've started her on that today. I moved this over here. She's also going to do a French lesson. We're also going to do a lesson in history, and she's going to start her biology. So that's what she'll be doing today. Her math for the week is done because she finished her honors project early. So that's what we're doing with Katie today. She'll be doing all of this independently, except we do the history together. And then I'm going to look at Sophie's schedule. And Sophie's going to be doing handwriting. I do the math lesson by day, so I'll have to go in and enter the math lesson that we're on. I do that because sometimes I spend more than one day on a lesson. We're also going to do some of her Abeka science reader today, and then this is what she'll be doing in her foundations phonics. Sophie, this is China,
This is China.
and that's the Pacific Ocean. Can you color? Look, Sophie. Don't let me move the tray.
This
Right here, that's the water. Can you find a blue crayon and color that blue for me? Color it gray. You may have heard of the Great Wall. It's the longest man-made structure in one of the 7 wonders of the world. All right, do you see it, baby? Now, Katie and Daddy and Mommy were on the Great Wall of China, and we were in this area right here. This is Beijing. We were in this section right here.
Yeah.
Right in here, okay? So Katie is doing her science. We use Shorman Biology, and it's online. And so this is the first day, and she's going over the terms, and he has them write down the terms and the definitions to help them memorize the different terms, because biology has a ton of vocabulary. So that's...
I know you're hurt. I can see it in your eyes, babe. You need to let your mind off things. No, it hurts. I can see it in your eyes, babe. But I know you have a lot to give. I know that it's getting cold. The waves are crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me, yeah. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light.
So I'm doing a laundry room renovation, and one of the things that I was doing was removing this bulletin board that was in bad shape. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to sand these bad places where I had to. Yesterday I patched the walls.
Better if you just believe it. Yeah, it's getting cold, the waves are crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me, yeah. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds.
Okay, so I'm getting ready to make lunch. I'm going to be making a spinach salad along with some chicken noodle soup for me. Katie, we're using these soups that we get at Sam's. Katie's going to have some of the baked potato. I'm just going to heat this up for her. And Gary and Sophie and I are going to have some of this. And like I said, I'm going to make a spinach salad with just some baby spinach, some feta cheese, some slivered almonds, and then I'm using this light balsamic vinaigrette. I'm just gonna use 1 tablespoon. So if you are interested in Weight Watchers points on green, this is a total of 6 points for the salad as well as the soup. So Katie and I are getting ready to run some errands. Sophie did not want to go, so she's gonna stay with Gary. She's just gonna hang out with him in the office. And Katie and I are gonna go to Lowe's or Home Depot, probably Lowe's because we'll be closer, and just get a cover plate for the laundry room, what I showed you earlier. We're also going to Hobby Lobby. I think Katie needs to run into Ulta, and we're also swapping out a rug at Target. So we're just going to run some quick errands.
For the record.
Get this one thing clear.
Alright, so we just finished up at Target, and we were able to find pretty much everything we needed. We were hoping to find a wall plate, but they didn't have it. So now we need to go to Hobby Lobby and Ulta, so we're probably going to do that and then head to Lowe's to get the little wall plate, and we'll be all done.
Get this one thing
got all the stuff from all the stores. Some of the stuff you'll be seeing in our laundry room reveal soon, and some of it is just like replacement floor mats and things like that. So now I'm gonna work on making supper. I'm doing a chicken, mushroom, and green bean skillet. It's got a Parmesan sauce and it's really good. I'll link the recipe down below. I've lightened it up a little bit, primarily by using chicken breasts instead of chicken thighs. It says in the recipe don't do that, but I haven't noticed any problem with doing that. But anyway, I'll kind of show you what I'm doing, and I'll link the recipe in the description box below.
I look in the mirror, who's looking back at me? I don't know what happened, guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on.
So I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog. I appreciate y'all watching today. I'm gonna go ahead and just finish painting that wall in the laundry room so I can get that laundry room video up for y'all hopefully on Friday. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Right now we will make it